I was sent this hose reel and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video, so here goes. Everything you're going to get shipped to you comes already put together for the most part. The whole hose reel is already assembled and ready to go. You get a set of instructions. You'll get mounting hardware and a bracket. I'll show you that in a minute. And you'll get a spray nozzle as well. To mount the unit, it has a nice ability to pivot. You just have to slide this pin through the mounting hardware and onto the hose reel, and you're ready to go. So installing is really easy. They provide you with the mount that you need and the mounting hardware, and all you need to do is drill into your location and then attach that, and now you're done. The hose reel has a nice handle on the top so you can carry it. Slide the pin out of the back. Put the hose reel onto the mounting bracket, slide the pin back in, and you're ready to go. Now I just need to take this line here, attach it to my garden hose connection, and we're ready. And now to extend the hose, this one's 20 meters. They make them in different lengths. You just pull out as much as you need and then stop, and it'll hold it there. And then when you're ready to retract it, just pull it out a little bit, let go, and it'll feed the hose automatically right back into the reel, which makes this just super convenient. That's really the best part about it. You can reach your plants far away and not have to worry about winding the whole hose out and carrying it that distance. So overall, we're real happy with this, be able to water our plants on this patio and reach all the way around the other side of the house to do that. Hey, I hope this video was helpful to learn a little bit more about this hose reel, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.